Which is the largest animal in the world? A. Shark. B. Blue whale. C. Dolphin. D. Octopus. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Blue whale. Fun fact: the blue whale is the largest animal ever known to live on Earth. It can grow over 100 feet, 30 meters, long, and its heart is about the size of a small car. Next question. Which sea animal is known for its 8 arms? A. Jellyfish. B. Crab. C. Octopus. D. Starfish. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is C. Octopus. Fun fact: octopuses are incredibly intelligent. They can solve simple puzzles, open jars, and even change both their color and skin texture to hide from predators. Next question. Which sea animal is famous for jumping out of the water? A. Dolphin. B. Seal. C. Whale. D. Turtle. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Dolphin. Fun fact: dolphins communicate using clicks and whistles. They are very social animals and often travel in groups called pods. Next question. Which sea animal carries its home on its back? A. Crab. B. Sea turtle. C. Shark. D. Stingray. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Sea turtle. Fun fact: sea turtles can travel thousands of miles across the ocean and often return to the same beach where they were born to lay eggs. Next question. Which sea animal has sharp triangular teeth? A. Dolphin. B. Shark. C. Seal. D. Walrus. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Shark. Fun fact: some sharks can lose thousands of teeth during their lifetime. New teeth keep growing to replace the old ones. Next question. Which sea animal looks like a star? A. Jellyfish. B. Starfish. C. Crab. D. Octopus. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Starfish. Fun fact: starfish can regrow a lost arm. Some species can even grow an entirely new body from a single arm if part of the center remains. Next question. Which sea animal has large claws? A. Lobster. B. Dolphin. C. Whale. D. Seal. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Lobster. Fun fact: lobsters continue growing throughout their lives and can live for over 50 years in the wild. Next question. Which sea animal is famous for producing pearls? A. Oyster. B. Crab. C. Squid. D. Shrimp. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Oyster. Fun fact: a pearl forms when a tiny object enters an oyster. The oyster covers it with smooth layers, slowly creating a beautiful pearl. Next question. Which sea animal can change its color very quickly? A. Seal. B. Squid. C. Dolphin. D. Sea turtle. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Squid. Fun fact: squid can instantly change their color to hide from predators or communicate with other squid using special skin cells. Next question. Which sea animal has a hard shell and walks sideways? A. Crab. B. Octopus. C. Shark. D. Jellyfish. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Crab. Fun fact: crabs usually walk sideways because the joints in their legs bend in that direction, helping them move quickly across beaches and rocks. Next question. Which sea animal is the largest fish in the world? A. Great white shark. B. Whale shark. C. Hammerhead shark. D. Tiger shark. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Whale shark. Fun fact: whale sharks are the largest fish on Earth. They can grow over 40 feet, 12 meters, long and eat tiny plankton instead of large animals. Next question. Which sea animal has 8 long arms and 2 extra tentacles? A. Octopus. B. Squid. C. Jellyfish. D. Starfish. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Squid. Fun fact: Squid have 8 arms and 2 longer tentacles that help them catch prey. Some giant squid can grow longer than a school bus. Next question. Which sea animal can inflate its body like a balloon? A. Pufferfish. B. Tuna. C. Salmon. D. Eel. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Pufferfish. Fun fact, when a pufferfish feels threatened, it quickly fills its body with water to become much larger, making it difficult for predators to eat. Next question. Which sea animal is famous for its long nose? A. Seahorse. B. Swordfish. C. Sawfish. D. Narwhal. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is D. Narwhal. Fun fact, the narwhal is often called the unicorn of the sea. Its long tusk can grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, and is actually a special tooth. Next question. Which sea animal carries its babies in a pouch? A. Seahorse. B. Dolphin. C. Seal. D. Shark. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Seahorse. Fun fact, male seahorses are the ones that become pregnant. They carry the babies in a pouch until they are ready to be born. Next question. Which sea animal has a large black and white body and is highly intelligent? A. Dolphin. B. Orca. C. Seal. D. Walrus. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Orca. Fun fact, orcas, also called killer whales, live in family groups called pods. They use unique sounds to communicate and work together to catch food. Next question. Which sea animal has a long body that looks like a snake? A. Eel. B. Shark. C. Tuna. D. Dolphin. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Eel. Fun fact, eels can swim both forward and backward. Some species travel thousands of miles across the ocean to reproduce. Next question. Which sea animal has 5 arms? A. Crab. B. Octopus. C. Starfish. D. Lobster. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is C. Starfish. Fun fact, most starfish have 5 arms, but some species can have 10, 20, or even 40 arms. They use tiny tube feet to move across the ocean floor. Next question. Which sea animal is known for its powerful pinchers? A. Lobster. B. Seal. C. Whale. D. Jellyfish. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Lobster. Fun fact, a lobster's claws are very strong. One claw is used for crushing hard shells, while the other is used for cutting food. Next question. Which sea animal can sting with its long tentacles? A. Jellyfish. B. Dolphin. C. Sea turtle. D. Penguin. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Jellyfish. Fun fact, jellyfish have lived in Earth's oceans for over 500 million years. Their tentacles contain tiny stinging cells that help them catch food and protect themselves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun quizzes.